Hello clarinets! In this video we are going to play through all of Cool It. So you will need your copy of Cool It so that you can be reading along with me, and you will need your clarinet. So put your clarinet together, make sure you've got it ready to go, and let's learn to play these three notes. So our first note, and you should have already watched the notes video number 1. This is notes number 2. Make sure you've watched notes number 1 so that you know what B flat, A, and G look like on your page. But let's go over B flat. So you need this silver key above our normal thumb key, and you need the silver key above your normal first key. So we have our thumb and our first finger down. When I say thumb and first in this video, I'm talking about those silver keys, not our normal thumb and first. In Cool It, we play only on these silver keys. So we're going to start on B flat. And can you please just play B flat with me? If it's not sounding right, double check your reed, right? Your reed should look nice and flat with our black mouthpiece. Double check that you've got your ligature all the way down where it's supposed to be. Shouldn't be way up here. Double check that you're not putting too much of your mouth on the mouthpiece, right? Back up a little bit. You don't need very much. Double check you've got your lip on your pillow and your teeth touching the plastic, right? Bottom teeth are covered with your lip. And then you say, like a rubber band. Double check that mouth. And then you're pushing down your thumb and your first finger. You should see those keys all moving that are moving with mine. So push them down, hold them down, and play B flat one more time. Good. Now lift your thumb and play A. This is our space note. So you only have your first finger down. Play. And G has no fingers, right? So remember, when we're playing G, you got to make sure that it's in your mouth and your teeth actually kind of keep it in place. So double check that you've got your teeth touching that plastic. You're not biting. It's just resting between your lip and your teeth. So here we go with G. Good. Go back to first finger, A. Now add your thumb again. So we've got first and thumb. Very good. All right, starting on that B flat, we are going to go ahead and play Cool It. So ready, play with me, here we go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Good. Remember, when you're tonguing, the tip of your tongue touches the tip of the reed. Now, it touches this flat part. Don't touch the actual tip because your tongue might, first of all, it could get cut or it could break the reed. So we're putting a flat tongue very quickly. It just taps the reed very, very fast, your tongue. Very fast when we're tonguing. Each of these notes, you should be saying 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So let's do it one more time from the beginning. And now we're going to play all the way through from beginning to end. Now that you feel what B flat, A, and G sound like. So here we go, starting on B flat. Remember our pattern. Practice with me. It's always B flat. You lift your thumb for A. You lift your first finger for G. You go back to A with first finger. And then you hold down B flat again. And then we start the next phrase on this same thing. So you hold B flat for a long time. So here we go from beginning to end. Cool It. Now, I'm not going to count the 2, 3, 4s in this video. Where should you be hearing the 2, 3, 4? Right, or play 2, 3, 4. That should be in your head, right? There's a special word for that. It's called audiate. So you should be audiating that 2, 3, 4 in your head. So I'm not going to say it this time. Follow along with me. You should be looking at your music. I'm looking at my music. And we always do that pattern of both fingers, thumb up, first finger up, first finger down. So here we go, starting with both fingers. Ready, beginning, here we go with 2, 3, 4. Three, 4, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4. Ready. 29. 2, 3, 4. Cool it. Awesome. So go back and practice this video. If that was really challenging for you, go back to video number 1 for notes. And if that's still challenging, if you're having trouble with the rhythm, go back to the rhythm video. So make sure that you're practicing along with all 3 of those videos. Double check that you know what B flat is, A, and G. Those are the only 3 notes we need, and it's always in that pattern: B flat, A, G, A, B flat. It's always that pattern. So happy practicing. See you in the next video.